People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Come to Landfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Poor People Production presents WWP, a hit single from Rust American Natural Onyx. Worldwide peace. Get it on all digital networks, iTunes, and all other platforms. Stream it today. Contact Poor People Production 1-876-808-6301. Murder.
To the south, to the east, Europe and the Middle East. Take the violence out the streets, I'm begging you please.
Blessed love and greetings, all of my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, we're there, vlog on the go. You see me? And we keep the thing real low on the battlefield. Again, more than I say, prayers goes out to Ragging King again, you know what I mean? Yes. But anyway, my general bounty killer. My general bounty killer, my God. If you come across this vlog, more you address a situation that can come like you alone, you know. You can do the attend to certain situation and make the big old voice heard, you know. Seaview Garden is in need of your help right now regarding this situation. Seeing the gully. It's been getting a lot of flood anytime rain fall because them block off the road. Watch the video.
Seaview Garden for another time around when the rain fall. Just even for 5 minutes. And this is the condition. Look. People, look. Look. The car, the bumper come off of the car. The water take off the bumper off of the car. Oh my God. Look at this. I would like to be on the other side where I could give you a close-up view, but this is my destination. Look at it. Look. From them to the road. From them to the road. This is what's happening in Seaview Garden. From them build that road around here and block off all of the gully them. We used to take the water from that side and go straight to the sea. This is what's happening now. Yeah, this is what's happening now. My God. Just look. As far as I can see, no vehicle come through this. No vehicle. Look at buckles. Look at plastic buckles. Look. Seaview Garden. Yeah, from the deal with the road, this is what really happening. Anytime rainfall, even for 3 minutes, pan a little pace. I tell you, rough, terrible. Yeah, man. Anytime it falls, it's like this. See, here's a car up here turning back. You can't go through it. You can't go through it at all. Try that to shut down same place. Turn. You can't go there. See?
Yes, my general bounty killer. More I address a situation because you see the man I say the Chinese them come build up them road, and to build them road, they have to get permission from the government to do them thing, and them build them road and them now think about the people them in the ghetto and the garrison them, you know. You see, so them block off the gully bank in them where supposed to consume the waste. When the rain fall, the waste and all of them things there washed away in the gully and go into the sea. See? So now them block off all of them entrance there, which is the gully banking them. And everything is a flood down in a Seaview. Anytime it rain a Seaview, I collect all of the sewage and the waste and all of them things there. And that don't look good, Papa. My general bounty killer, that don't look good, my viewers and subscribers. Hey, big up the people in Seaview out there, you know. Big up the people in Seaview, you know. You see me? Father J, big up yourself and respect. You don't for you reach out and say, But I have to make it go so work on the channel, though. Yeah, man, so big up all the lioness, big up on yourself, star. Yo, this matter need to be addressed. It needs to be sorted out because, you know, young babies are there and all those sewage and them things that just lead to sickness, infections. You get to me and say, Bounty Killer, me general, address the matter properly and seriously. For the people that have seen from you don't know your place that. See? Yeah man, and big up Jamaica good life, you know. Brother Kino, you're doing a great job too. Yeah man. Don't know, lion foot. We there have flag and go. Big up on yourself. Jamaica, live in love, live in peace. See? Yeah man. I don't know what that to say now. Coast shots. Anyway, my people, watch out now, Raga Rugi and General B, our meditation. See? You ready, man? Say?
Long time me there about the journey. Nah, give up. Like a ruby the here go hard. And song
bad and the video. You get me? And we have to that song like a DJ you talk we big a long time around dance and some people go
years man.
Boy. General
Sure.
we say, you know, we say metaphors, similes and oxymoron. You get me?
Sure.
Music and stuff. I will try to put all them in one song at all times. You
Sure.
and do best.
Yeah,
You can put out too much energy in a music more time, you know. You just do it some time look easy. Because the people you get me? Some more time I go and say, trust me, use up for them place because you know say you have it, you know. You get me? Say exercise it, you know. Forgot extra and sometimes you know I say it not even right. Yeah, some look a commercial song and I send them go around. You get me?
Sure teach.
That's why you can sing a song like that and say a long time I work hard and now I get no
Years man.
Yeah.
So Coney Park will take them back to the General B.
England, when I go, I don't want to acknowledge what Arga so it's an acknowledgement. I don't want
Sure.
to respect. I don't want to big up General B, done big already. Respect go with
Sure.
much risk. We are doing risk, we are going to run this in life. More acknowledgement, acknowledge. You
Sure.
understand? Rather than the England, the flag, acknowledge that be.
Sure, brother.
The flag, you acknowledge it. I appeal them, they don't hold it up, you acknowledge it be. Falling on
Sure, brother.
Dan Boss, I don't acknowledge, because I guess I know.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers. Big up General B, you know. Yeah man, and the Rasta this way you say. I go too hard, you see me? If you Rasta them time, let me have the song and say, me a one boy, no girl can roll me. No girl can use them head and fool me. You mad? No waste girl can clone me. Much less you try use them head and go round me. You man, I may said one man, the artist you see that chop back. You see me? Yes. All up history, you know, my people. But General B, I say, yo, them put in the work. And them now get no reaction, you know. No support. Good music now gone away again. And it's true. Time and time again, people keep saying the same thing. Good music now gone away again. Look for now who feels it now. My big song. Was supposed to get the breakthrough in 2018, but them sabotage it. See? And because I didn't have the financial backing, but Raga Rugi are doing thing in London, and big up Raga Rugi, the viral king. See? No, foot type of the viral king. See? Big up Raga Rugi. Straight, you see it? And yes, so General B basically I say, yo, good music now, tell again and now gonna be again. See? They do good music and nah, get no payoff, you know, people not acknowledge it, I just be a scamming and derogatory music, you know, about oral sex and all of them things and killing and, you know what I mean? When it go end? So I just basically that Raga Rugi and General B I say, you know, General B a big artist who told the world and have him name, you know what I mean? All him need to do is just find back a hit song again and him hot again. You know what I mean? So big up General B, big up the whole chop back. Adrian, you don't know. You see me I say, Steve, you don't know. Big up, you say, hey, bigger. My General, yeah man. You see it, big up yourself. The whole camp. Being man see me, because every day we there chop back around it off, same way. You see it. I don't know my people, Lion Foot, you know. I'm out.
Foot TV. Subscribe. Press the bell and click